sapat man po ang kita nyo dito para po makabili po kayo ng mga bigas or pagkain po. Ano pong masasabi?
Kung totoo, hindi pwedeng sapat. Nagkakaago kami kuha. Pag nakakautang sa Bombay, ako kami mairurugang. Pero kung sasabihin sapat, hindi rin magiging sapat.
In a world where human rights are the foundation of a society, we must raise our voices and stand together. Every person deserves to live with dignity, freedom, and equality. It's time to make a change. Sapat naman po ba yung kita nyo pang araw-araw or para po makakain po kayo pang araw-araw?
Sapat naman, pero minsan hindi.
Minsan po hindi.
Depende rin kasi sa bilihan.
Sa bilihan, medyo minsan po matumal talaga po. Join us in the fight for a world where every voice is heard, every life is valued, and every right is protected. Together, we can create a future where human rights are really for all. Be the voice of humanity. Take a stand for human rights today. Take a stand for human rights.